What is blockchain technology for Bitcoin to Ethereum? A blockchain facilitates and secures online transaction. Basically, it's a version or stuff that is foolproof and makes it a secure online transaction, more secure than your existing bank. A blockchain is a decentralized and digital ledger in a distributed form, which is used to record transactions across multiple computers so that the record cannot be hacked. Now, you would have heard on the news ABC Bank got hacked, ABC News Service got hacked. Now, what really happens is a hacker goes and hacks the computer associated with that organization because those computers are usually within a building of that company, or its servers are based within a certain area. So once they attack, they have all the information available to them because they have hacked the full all the computers available on that building or on those server, cloud server, or the area where the information is kept. Because an organizations keep their services or information on their own computers because they want it secure with their own key and stuff. Whereas blockchain doesn't use that service. They use a decentralized service. What they do is they have the information, they break it down into, let's say, 100 different broken pieces, and then they put them into different computers, 1,000 computers. So a person needs 1,000 computers to be hacked, and then he needs to collect all those information into one form, and then he would know what that information means. So it's something that is nearly impossible because you cannot have so many resources, so much time, and everything just to hack each and everything. Therefore, it's far more secure than your existing bank. This blockchain based exchange of value can be completed with blazing speed, with extreme security, and more cheaply than traditional systems. What this means is your bank is like really, uh, it's not foolproof, so it can be hacked. It has security flaws. Number one problem. Number two is those banks come under one government, so he's subject to taxes and all other shit. Whereas these blockchain stuff is for the whole wide world, so they don't come into the traditional sphere of the government or stuff. They are really secure because if you sell your blockchain to ABC person living in Thailand, you can simply transfer it within seconds. Whereas if you go to your bank and ask them that you want to transfer money to Thailand, it will take days and thousands of dollars of fees, and it may require government's approval. So there are a whole lot of traditional system blockades which will stop you from doing business. Whereas these currencies don't have this issue. They are simply global. Thank you.